Hello, good evening, friends. That is one very small topic, that is Henry Moseley experiment, and that is asked by my student. So let's see what is the Henry Moseley experiment. Okay, so Moseley, what he was doing, he was studying the properties of element. Okay, and this is the experiment after the Mendeleev periodic table. So what he studied, student, when the Moseley started studying, that is X-rays, X-rays with atomic number of elements. Okay, and one more things I would like to tell you, that is what, that is the, he is the only the father of, he is the father of, Henry is the father of atomic number. Okay, the father of atomic number, when you are going father of atomic number, who is father of atomic number, generally student get confused, that is the Moseley. Okay, so Moseley is the father of atomic number. So he was studying the atomic property, X-ray properties with the different elements. Okay, which correspond to the atomic number. So let us study firstly what is the X-ray, otherwise you will become very confused that what we are. So X-ray is what's a student, that is the, there is the tube is there, X-ray tubes. X-ray tubes means, a tube it means that is in the tube we keep the radioactive substance. Okay, suppose here is that is the one substance is there, and this is what the substance, that is radioactive substance. Of radioactive substance, if you talk about what are a radioactive substance, they gives the alpha rays. Either you see gives the, okay, X-rays. You can talk about, they gives the X-rays. Okay. Now when you are talking about this student, what we are going to study, you, these X-ray is coming out, and then you pass it with the filter. Okay, any filter, and suppose what I am doing, if you take it out, some filtering device, because from the radioactive substance so many rays are coming out, but only we are taking that one which is required one. So that is X-ray will be passed here, and there is the substance. Okay, solid substance. When you are passing this solid substance, student, then what you are observing on the, some plates will be there, that is like the Rutherford atomic model people have studied now. Similar this is there. So there will be the plate, and what if you are able to understand on the plate, what you will find, student, there you will find that is there is a pattern you will find, student. Here is the some pattern you will find. Of these pattern, whatever the pattern you got here, student, there is just some pattern you will get, this type of pattern you will get. This pattern is studied under, okay, this is the, suppose the, it is a LED screen. Okay, this is the nothing but LED screen. So what he is doing, he is taking the radioactive substance in the, that is also in, where, that is X-ray tube. Here is what is the, this is the prism, student. Prism, what it will do, it will pass only the X-ray, not any other rays. So when this is the solid substance, so what you will find, you will find the some pattern on the LED screen. So that is what kind of is he got the observation, student. He got that is observation, or that is all are straight line. What you find, student, that is straight line. Now you try to understand in the detailed way. Okay, so what you will be able to understand in the detailed way, student, let us see. So student, what Rutherford did, that is, that is atomic number. If you talk about atomic number, so atomic number is equal to what, student? Number of proton. Atomic number and number of proton is same. So atomic number is equal to number of proton. Okay. Atomic mass, this is discovered by Moseley, I already told you. So what he did, student, that is what Moseley did, he take the one axis, on one axis, that is Moseley took the, student, on the one axis he took the atomic number, and another axis, Okay, when you are passing the X-rays, student, so there will be the frequency will come out for the every substance. So suppose this is there. Okay, here is, if you talk about, this is the atomic number, student, atomic number. Atomic number is represented by, student, what? The symbol Z on this axis, and on this axis we are taking root of the frequency. Okay, so this is mu and this is the square root, and this frequency, when you talk about this frequency, okay, this is frequency, this is the frequency of element, the particular element we are talking about. This is frequency of the particular element. You will be able to understand, student. So what it is happening, student, when he take this, he find that is there is a straight line he is forming, very straight line he is getting. This is straight line, okay, this is straight line, this is straight line. And what he does do, one more experiment he did also, one together. So here he took, that is what he is taking atomic mass, okay, atomic mass, and here is, that is the frequency only, mu. So what is with the atomic mass, what he is forming, he is forming, that is no no haphazard manner he is finding, no straight line, no straight line, no straight line. Okay, the what line he is finding, that is zigzag line. So what he said, that is atomic mass cannot be the properties, fundamental properties of the element. So what could be the fundamental properties of element? That is those which is giving the straight line. So he said that is atomic number, is the fundamental properties of any element. That is why this, when he draw the graph between the atomic number and frequency, is root of frequency, then he got that is the straight line. So that on the basis of this graph, he said that is the atomic number is the fundamental of any element, not the atomic mass. That is why what he did, that is when the Mendeleev, the Mendeleev periodic table is based on what, student? That is based on the atomic mass, and that is why that periodic table failed. Up here is what, when he proposed, what he proposed, student, proposed modern periodic table. What is, student? Modern or long form periodic table, and gives the law, what law he gave, student? When elements are, or that is in different language you write down in the physical and chemical properties, physical and chemical properties of element, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of, what, student? Periodic function of what, student? This is the atomic number. It means that is when you are arranging the elements on the basis of increasing order of atomic number, then after certain interval, properties of elements get repeated. After that, modern periodic table I already discussed in the previous video, that you can go through there. Okay, thank you so much for watching, friends.